It began on a clear night in Seoul. The trio had just finished their concert, fireworks still glowing over the stage. Rumi flopped onto the couch backstage. Another show, another crowd screaming for an encore. Zoey smirked, and another amplifier fried because someone went too hard on her high note. Rumi laughed. Guilty! Mira leaned against the window, gazing up. Do you ever wonder if our songs reach the stars? That's when the lights flickered. At first, they thought it was a power surge, but then a melody echoed through the air. Soft, distant, and shimmering like starlight. Zoey frowned, holding up her scanner. No frequency matches. It's not coming from Earth. Rumi blinked. Wait, are you saying the stars are singing to us? Before anyone could answer, the stage lights morphed into beams of silver and blue. The beams wrapped around them gently, and with a flash, whoosh! They found themselves standing on a floating crystal platform in space, surrounded by constellations shaped like musical instruments. Welcome, guardians of melody, said a calm, ethereal voice. From the starlight formed a glowing woman with flowing hair of light, Lyra, the celestial muse. The universe's harmony is fading, she explained. A demon of silence has stolen the lost song of the stars, the melody that keeps all worlds in tune. Without it, planets will fall quiet and chaos will spread. You three are chosen to find it. Rumi grinned. A star adventure? Count me in. Mira nodded. We'll bring the music back. Zoey stretched her fingers. Let's tune up the cosmos. Their journey began on the nebula of echoes, where sound became visible as waves of color. They followed faint notes drifting through the mist, only to find broken shards of music floating like glass. Zoey examined one. These are fragments of the lost song. Someone shattered it. A low growl rumbled nearby. From the mist emerged a giant creature made of static and silence, the dissonant beast. It roared, and every sound vanished. Even Rumi's gasp was mute. But Mira closed her eyes and pressed her palm to her heart. A single light flickered from her chest, a faint tone. Zoey joined, layering beats from her wrist console. Rumi, unable to resist, added her voice, soft but steady. Together the notes intertwined, breaking through the silence. The beast hissed, cracking apart into harmless motes of sound. When the noise cleared, another fragment appeared, glowing brighter than before. Mira smiled. One piece down. Their second stop was the lunar choir, a group of moon spirits who had forgotten how to sing. They bowed to the trio. Without the lost song, our harmony is gone. We can't remember the rhythm of the stars. Rumi winked. Let's jog your memory. She grabbed the mic, Mira played her lightboard, and Zoey launched glowing rhythm loops across the moon's surface. Slowly, the moon spirits began to hum shyly at first, then stronger. The melody spread, lifting silver dust into swirling patterns. When the final note rang out, another piece of the lost song shimmered into being. Lyra's voice echoed through the air. You're close. The final fragment lies beyond in the realm of silence. The realm was a dark void. No stars, no color, no sound, just endless stillness. Rumi's voice trembled. It's so quiet, I can't even hear my heart beat. Mira reached out, gripping her hand. We'll make our own rhythm. They walked until they found a figure sitting on a throne of broken speakers. Lord Nocturne, the demon of silence. His eyes glowed like dying stars. Music brought pain to the cosmos, he said coldly. I silenced it to bring peace. Zoey frowned. Peace isn't silence, it's balance. Rumi stepped forward. And we'll prove it. They raised their instruments. One heart, one song, we all belong. Their voices burst forth, shining like comets. Nocturne lifted his hand, trying to smother the sound, but the music pushed back vibrant and unstoppable. The fragments of the lost song spun around them, joining into a single brilliant sphere of melody. Mira's harmony linked with Rumi's fire and Zoey's rhythm. The music soared across the cosmos, a radiant wave restoring the stars' glow. Nocturne's throne cracked apart. He lowered his head. I had forgotten what beauty sounded like. Rumi smiled softly. Then listen with us. They sang the final chorus together, the lost song of the stars, and every world pulsed in rhythm. Planets shimmered, galaxies danced, and light filled the void once more. Back on Earth, dawn broke over Seoul. The trio stood on their rooftop, watching the sunrise. Zoey stretched. We just saved the universe. How do we top that? Rumi grinned. Breakfast first, galaxy saving later. Mira laughed. At least the stars are singing again. Above them, constellations twinkled to the rhythm of their song, a melody now woven forever into the night sky. When voices unite, the stars will ignite harmony, will shine forever bright.